Hi, this is Mitchell Consulting. We are a virtual accounting and bookkeeping firm, and we provide QuickBooks Online services to small business owners. And welcome to another episode of Tuesday Tips. And today we will be talking about how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online for your customer. So we're here on the dashboard screen, and we will click on Sales. And then at the top, Invoices. And we're going to create a new invoice. And once the invoice screen opens, you can either type in your customer's name or use the pull down menu and select a customer. And the customer's information will load. You will add your today's date of the invoice and when you expect payment from the customer. Also, you can send this invoice to your customer via email, and the email address is here at the top. You can also add people to the invoice if you like. So maybe you're sending it to the owner of the business, but maybe you also would like to send it to the accountant as well. You have 2 email address lines that you can use for that here. So to create the invoice, you will need a product or service, and we'll get into what a product or service is at a later date. But for now, we'll just type in, we're going to charge Bill for some consulting services that we provided to his company. We'll type in consulting services on August 31st. And because we set up that product or service and put a rate in there, all we need to do is enter how much time you're charging for this consulting service. So maybe it's an hour and a half. So we're going to send Bill Lucchini an invoice for $187.50. We can add multiple lines to this invoice if it's needed, if we did more than consulting fees. So maybe they purchased some software or something like that from you. You can also include that on this line. In the message box, this message will display on the invoice that goes to your customer, and your customer will see any message that you put here in this message displayed invoice. If you purchase something for this customer and you wanted to attach the receipt to it, you can do that from here. And you can just select the PDF document that you want it to attach here, and it will go to the customer when the invoice is emailed. So over here on the right-hand side, if you're in a state that charges sales tax, you can select the sales tax rate from here. If not, you can just leave that blank. If you're wanting to charge give your customer a discount, whether it's a percentage or an amount, you can enter that here. But for now, we're going to leave this as it is, and we're going to create this invoice for Bill Lucchini, and it's going to be emailed to him. And all you do is click Save and Close. So now that's a new invoice, number 1039, that has been sent to your customer, Bill Lucchini. And you can see that right here that we created this invoice, and it's not due until October 8th. So thank you for taking time to watch the Tuesday Tip with Mitchell Consulting. If you would like to have more information about Mitchell Consulting, please go to mitchellconsultingservice.com. Thank you and have a great day.